familiar.
Yeah, cool.
Never
If
ridden
this
one of these.
Getting too quick, yeah, if you get uncomfortable, easily afraid whatsoever, let me know early enough.
All right.
Okay?
Yeah, should be fine.
Very good. Otherwise, maybe we can do 2 laps, I don't know.
Yep, you have fun.
I'll have fun. Very good, off we go.
I love the sound of this.
Dear God.
Oh, so much downforce.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Gewoon einchecane passing the historic Finland.
I drive a Tesla now, it's not the same. Jesus, they bulls. I think I've seen people crash there.
Yeah, you took corner, yeah, over the grass.
Yeah, exactly. And you get to do this all day long. I think your job's better than mine. A safety vehicle or what?
Yes, exactly. Intervention car, ja, schmecken sie schon. Basically, moving safety car, yeah. Normally they're driving past. Shot me ahead of us, that must be the second one or the first one actually.
Okay.
We always drive together.
Ah.
Yes. Yes, I'm the slowest corner of the track.
Wow. Who needs turbos when you have this engine?
I don't like the engine.
You don't?
Oh no, it's not enough power.
Okay.
Not enough torque. I mean, the peak power is absolutely fine, you don't need more, but there's no torque in the mid sector. That's the problem, you know. No, here, it is
Yeah.
not moving. Back, now it comes.
Yes, okay.
I like it.
I guess technically my Tesla has the same horsepower as this. Roughly.
Yeah? Okay.
Roughly.
But it boils
But the
down.
handling's terrible.
I mean,
Yeah.
the track performance is not so good on Tesla. I mean,
No, not at all. I think maybe 1.2G is the maximum.
but it's heavier.
It's very your personal car. This is your work car.
I have no car.
You have no car.
No.
That's amazing.